Okay, so another little quick video for the Freelander today, so I've been really looking forward to this one. So it's a Dark Ice Designs, and it's a gas strut kit for the bonnet. So I believe the Freelander 2s had gas struts on the bonnet. Basically this converts it to the same, so at the moment it's got the standard sort of rod that you put up, but it converts over to the gas, and it uses all sort of existing bolts. So there's literally 2 bolts that you can change on each side. One is sort of the top hinge mount up here, and then another one is one of the ones that's on the bodywork down here, and that is literally it, and it converts it across. So this should hopefully be a really nice, super quick, easy, simple install. I really appreciate you getting out so quick as well, and they also give me a very nice pack of Haribo in there, so I'm definitely going to appreciate that. But yeah, let's get on and get these fitted. Okay, first step, getting the bonnet up. So we've got the bonnet up, and these are the struts themselves. So we've got 2 of these. They are really nice. And you've got these bolts and washers. So there's some longer ones and some shorter ones. And the longer ones are going to go in here on this bolt, and the shorter ones are going to go in on this middle one here. Okay, so the first one is this top one up here. So when you're looking at the bonnet, it's just this top bolt here. It's just a 10mm. It's quite tight. I think the raptor paint was holding him in a little bit. And then you're going to use the longer bolt with the sort of wider entry washer. Just that way around. Okay, so I'm just going to get a spanner for that one rather than the ratchet. Okay, so that bolt that came out was a 10mm, and according to the instructions this is a 13mm going back in, which it is. Make that pretty tight. There we go, that's him on, so that's the first one done. Okay, so the next one is this middle bolt here, so let's get him off. Let's keep that there. Yeah, so now I've got that bolt out, which was again a 10mm. It's just a shorter one of these with the sort of wider washer that sits over the top of here, and that just screws down into here like that. Right, so that's just a 10mm on this one with the spanner again. Just gonna get that in nice and tight. There we go, that's in there, so that's that bit done. Okay, and that is one strut on. So I quickly just fit that one without filming it, just to see how you get them on and how it's the sort of best technique. So what I'll do now is I'll skip to the other side to this stage again and just show you how I got it on there. Okay, so the this end, you've got the rod that comes out of the piston. Small end is what goes onto this end. It should just click on as so, and you can see it's slightly too long on here. Now you can push the bonnet up a little bit further, so if you take this bit out now, the other piston's in, it's supporting the bit, you can lift it up a little bit higher, but it will be ever so slightly off still. So I found the easiest way was keeping it in the bit for now. So if we put it down, keeping it in there for now. Yeah, so you're pulling the piston down, and it just clicks in. There you go. So it's kind of just pulling it down, pushing it on. That was the easiest way I found to do it. Just for me, it took a couple of seconds. Now I can unhook the standard one, and let's have a look. So there she is, just upon the gas struts themselves, nothing else. Like you say, that is nice and strong. That is really nice and sturdy. Really, really clever design as well, using those existing bolts. And literally all I had to use was what's that, a 10mm socket on there, and a 10mm and a 13mm, and that was it to get that done. I think that's probably one of the smartest things, you know, just to do with these. Is just going to make it so much easier working on the engine bay without having that stalk in the way. It's probably going to be safer as well, because I'm not going to accidentally knock it and drop the bonnet on my head or something stupid. So yeah, I really like that. It's a really smart design, like you say. Brings it, I think the Freelander 2's had this, so whoop, much more similar to that. Yeah, love that, absolutely love it. So yeah, quick 5-minute one. There you go guys, simple, easy and really good effect on the Freelanders.